Holly fern is a commonly known fern, also known as house holly or Japanese holly. It is native to eastern Asia and grows from crevices in coastal cliffs, stream banks, rocky slopes, and other moist, stable areas. Popular for its hardiness and handsome foliage, this fern makes an excellent ground cover or border edging in shaded locations. The stiff, glossy, dark green fronds of holly-like leaflets with coarsely fringed margins add excellent texture to container plantings. Plant your holly fern in partial to full shade. It will grow best in loose, fertile, moist soil. Follow a regular watering schedule for the first season to establish a deep, extensive root system. You can fertilize in late winter with a general all-purpose garden fertilizer. Winter-damaged fronds can be cut back in February before a new spring growth begins in March. Good companion plants for holly fern include hostas, impatiens, caladiums in the summer, or plant them amongst other types of ferns, such as southern wood fern or lace fern. They make a great low border for shade beds as well. The rhizome is used as an anthelmintic, chiefly for the expulsion of tapeworm.